Okay, untuk soalan nombor 10C, we have f of xy equals to x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 6y plus 6. So, untuk soalan ni, mula-mula, kita kena kenal pasti the extremum value without doing any calculation. So, basically, kita tengok pada dia punya bentuk graf ni sahaja. So, kalau kita nak tulis balik benda ni, z is equals to x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 6y plus 6. So, kalau kita tengok ni, z ni to the power of 1 and then x squared to the power of 2 and y squared to the power of 2 and both is positive. So, maksudnya, this graph is actually paraboloid. And then paraboloid yang macam ni, sebab dia positif-positif. So, maksudnya kita akan ada minimum value dekat vertex ini. So, untuk dapatkan vertex dia, value of xy untuk vertex ni, kita kena susun baliklah benda ni. So, kita boleh tulis z is equals to x plus 1 squares. Oh, lagi satu, this one is a paraboloid. Dekat z-intercept equals to 6. Okay, so continue. So, we have z equals to x plus 1 squares and then plus y minus 3 squares. And then kalau kita expand ni, sebenarnya kita ada extra term positive 1. So, kita kena minuskan dengan 1. And then this one pula kita ada extra term 9, positive 9. So, kita minuskan dengan 9 plus 6. So, actually we have z is equals to x plus 1 squares plus y minus 3 squares minus 4. So, daripada this equation, kita dapat lihat dia punya vertex is actually dekat titik minus 1, 3. So, dari, which means that this minus 1, 3 will be minimum point ataupun minimum relative. Okay. And then next, kita kena calculate fx dengan fy and then kita kena equalskan pada 0 untuk dapatkan value of xy. And then kita kena buat ujian yang menggunakan fxx, fyy, fxy dan juga d. Okay. So, untuk this one, fx is equals to 2x plus 2. And then fy is equals to 2y minus 6. And then if you equals to 0, then daripada sini we have x is equals to minus 1, y is equals to 3. So, dia punya point is minus 1, 3 lah. Okay. Now, we need to calculate the second derivative. So, the second derivative, we start with fxx. So, differentiate this one with respect to x, we have 2. And then fyy. So, differentiate yang ni pula with respect to y, we get 2. And then fxy, differentiate yang ni with respect to y, we get 0. And then, we can calculate d. D dekat minus 1, 3 is actually equals to fxx, fyy minus fxy squared. And all of this is calculated at minus 1, 3, which is actually the same untuk mana-mana point sebab we have constant here. And then this one will be equals to 2 times 2 minus 0, which is equals to 4. So, kalau kita tengok, D is positive. So, bila D is positive, it's either maximum or minimum. And then kita akan tengok pula dekat xx. So fxx is positive. So meaning that the point minus 1, 3 is actually the minimum relative, which is the same as kalau kita tengok based on graph sahaja yang kita dapat ni, vertex is equals to tu. So rasanya itu je untuk soalan 11C.